Formula for solving quadratic equation. Your equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, coefficient of x square is a. Coefficient of square term is a. So divide whole equation by a, x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a. So observe, x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a dividing by a, you have this. Now observe first two terms, x square plus b upon ax. Now what you have to do, coefficient of x, b upon a, divided by 2, so you have b upon 2a. Add its whole square and subtract its whole square. So b upon 2a square minus b upon 2a square plus this third term c upon a as it is equal to 0. So now because of this, you have complete square of x plus b upon 2a. So this is whole square minus of b square upon 4a square plus c upon a is equal to 0. Observe, transfer this complete term to right side. So it becomes plus b square minus 4a upon a square. Left hand side as it is x plus b upon 2a whole square. Taking square root of both sides. So it is x plus b upon a. It was whole square. Now square root we have taken. And right side is root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So root of 4a square is nothing but 2a. In the next step we can write. So x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus this values we have root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So minus b upon 2a plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, because root of 4a square is nothing but 2a. So value of x is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Right, so let this value be alpha and another value be beta. So these two are the roots of your given quadratic equation. So values of a, b and c from the equation you can get ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the roots of given quadratic equation. You can consider one value as alpha and another value as beta. So we write alpha is equal to this value and beta is equal to this. Alpha is greater than beta. Okay. Let us solve this equation, x square plus 10x plus 2 equal to 0. Right. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So can we write values of a, b and c by comparison? A is 1, that is coefficient of square term. B is 10, coefficient of linear term, and c is constant term. Let us find out b square minus 4ac first. So 10 square minus 4 into 2, that is 100 minus 8, you have 92. So x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Value of b you have 10. So minus of 10 plus minus root value of b square minus 4ac is 92. Write that value divided by 2 into 1. So you have this value. Your answer is x is equal to, common from this is 2, minus 5 plus minus root 23 by 2. You can cancel these two and separate the roots. So minus 5 plus root 23 or minus 5 minus root 23 are the roots of your given quadratic equation. Your next question is 25x square plus 30x plus 9 equal to 0. Compare it. Value of a is 25, value of b is 30 and value of c is 9. Find out b square minus 4ac. Directly you can substitute this value in the formula also, but it is easy to find out b square minus 4ac first. So the b square minus 4ac is 0. So by formula method, your formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value minus 30 plus minus this value is 0 divided by 2 into 25. So your answer is minus 30 by 50 minus 30 by 50. So you have two roots which are equal. So write it and reduce it to the lowest form. So these two are the roots of your given quadratic equation. X square plus x plus 5 equal to 0. Again compare it. A is 1, b is 1, c is 5. Find out b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values, formula, and then substitute the value in the formula. You have minus 1 plus minus root 9 minus 19 by 2. So root of minus 19 is not a real number. Hence the roots of the equation are not real roots. Okay.